Hi students, welcome back to the class 17 factor group. Factor group is also called as quotient group. The group G by H of all cosets of a normal subgroup H in G with respect to coset multiplication, that is HA into HB equals HAB. For every HA, HB belongs to the set G by H is called factor group or quotient group of G with respect to H. Here G by H is called factor group or quotient group. GH is normal subgroup of G with respect to the coset multiplication HA into HB equals HAB. Here H and HB are cosets belongs to the set G by H. Then this G by H is called factor group or quotient group of G with respect to H. Note, if G is abelian, then the factor group G by H with respect to H is itself an abelian group. If G is abelian group, then G by H is also abelian group. Second point, if the binary operation in G by H is addition, then H plus A plus H plus B equals H plus of A plus B. In this case, H plus 0 is identity and H plus of minus A is inverse of H plus A. Theorem, if H is a normal subgroup of finite order, then order of G by H equals order of G divided by order of H. Order of G by H equals number of distinct cosets of H, which is equals index number of H in B. Number of distinct cosets of H nothing but index number of H in G, which is equals order of G divided by order of H by Lagrange's theorem. Therefore, order of G by H equals order of G divided by order of H. Prove that every subgroup of an abelian group is normal subgroup. Let H be a subgroup of an abelian group G. Let A be the element of G and H equals the elements of H are H1, H2, H3 and so on. Consider AH. AH equals set of AH1, AH2, AH3 and so on. This can be written as H1A, H2A, H3A and so on equals HA. If left coset equals right coset, then obviously no doubt H is a normal subgroup of G. Therefore, H is a normal subgroup of G. If H and K are two normal subgroups of G such that H intersection K equals identity element E, then show that every element of H commutes with every element of K. Okay, let X belongs to H, Y belongs to K be the two elements of H and K. Now we have to prove that XY equals YX. Okay, it is given that H is normal subgroup. Therefore, by the definition, X inverse belongs to H, because X inverse is also element of H, Y is element of G. Therefore, for every X belongs to H, X inverse belongs to H. X inverse belongs to H. Call it equation number 1. Similarly, K is normal. X inverse belongs to K. Y belongs to K, X belongs to G. Y inverse belongs to K, therefore X inverse belongs to K. X inverse into Y inverse belongs to K. But H intersection K equals identity element E. It is given. Therefore, X inverse Y inverse equals E. This implies X inverse Y inverse whole inverse equals XY. This is Y inverse X inverse equals YX. Therefore, YX equals XY. These two are equal, so equate the RHS. YX equals XY, hence the result. Prove that the factor group of a cyclic group is cyclic. Let G equals generator A be a cyclic group. Here G is generated by the element A. A is the generator. Let H be a normal subgroup of G. Here we have to prove that G by S is generated by AH. Okay. Let GH belongs to G by H. G belongs to G. G equals A power n for every belongs to n because A is a generator. GH equals A power n into H. This can be written as AH to the power n. Therefore, every coset is some integral power of AH. Every coset, here the coset is some integral power of AH. Therefore, AH is a generator of G by H. Therefore, G by H is a cyclic group. Next, show that every quotient group of an abelian group is abelian. Show that every quotient group of an abelian group is abelian. Let G be an abelian group and N be a normal subgroup of G. Okay, let Na and Nb are two cosets of the factor group, quotient group G by N. Na into Nb equals N into Ab. This is by the definition of factor group. This can be written as N into Ba because G is abelian. Ab can be written as Ba. This can be written as Nb into Na. Therefore, G by N is abelian.